This is Regina, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your data. Next. Peace. The first thing we're going to talk about today is the two viruses that you've heard so much about on television. One is the SoBig.F virus, and the other one is they call it SamSam or Sam's something like that. But one's a ransomware and one's a different type of virus than the ransomware. The SoBig comes into your email as spam, and the comments at the top of the email will say thank you, and it may be from somebody you know, and that's what causes people to go ahead and open it up because you think somebody's thanking you for something you did, or just it's kind of a common word they use, and it works. People open it up, and then you have this infection. Not only does it get in your email, but it attaches to everybody else that's in your address book, and it sends them emails, and it look like they're coming from you, but it's not. And that's how it spreads so fast. When I filmed this video, which is the middle of April, the 1st of April, around the 7th, this virus was in another country, and they were saying that out of every 17 emails, one of these viruses was in that email. The second virus we're going to talk about is the SamSam, or the ransomware virus. This is the one that you heard so much about on the news. This one usually hits large companies because they want to get as much bang for their buck as they can. So they hit hospitals, businesses, people that have data that's very important that needs to be protected, but that's who they want to attack because they know you're going to pay for your data. This virus comes in and it takes over your backup data, actually, which is a bad thing. And then it encrypts it, which means it puts a code on it so that you can't get in it. And then when you go to get your information, you can't get in it because everything's gobbledygook. Then you have to pay them for a key to unlock your programs to get to your stuff. And that's really hard on especially hospitals, businesses, because their data is so valuable, they need it, so they usually give in to them and pay for it. Last year, 2,400 million reportings of this type of ransomware was given to the FBI, and over $24 million was lost to just that ransomware. So what do we do? What do I do? What do I need to do? I'm going to tell you what to do. I'll give you 3 things that you can do right now that will help. The first thing is back up your data. The second thing is back up your data. The third thing is back up your data. Now, I'm kidding. There are 3 things that I'm going to share with you that you can do now. But the first and most important thing is to back up your data. Seriously. Because if you back up your data, someone attacks your computer, you've got a backup of all your stuff so that when they try to sell you the key, you won't have to worry about buying it. You can call somebody, like me, to come and clean your computer up, and we can put your data back on, and you can go back to running in a short amount of time. The second thing to do is to get a good antivirus. Now, all of my customers that are already work with me, and I know you know my favorite is AVG, but I'm telling people now to go ahead and get the whole suite. Get the antivirus, the adware, spyware, the whole thing, because you're going to need all that protection. Things are getting worse now, and you can get what they call a drive-by virus. Yes, that's a word. Drive-by virus that just attacks you because you're on the internet just surfing, regular surfing, not doing anything you're not supposed to. It's waiting to jump in and get on your stuff. So you need to have protection against that. When you have antivirus, keep it current. Keep it updated. When it asks to update, allow it to update. Run scans daily. When you get off your computer, go ahead and run your scans. Number 3, disable the preview pane in your email. I know that Google has it. I know that Yahoo has it. It's dangerous. It used to be a convenient thing to be able to check an email out before you actually open it so you can see if it's something you wanted to read. It's not good anymore. So go in. If it's doing a preview, stop it from previewing. And there's a setting in each one. They have their own settings. Usually there's a gear in your email somewhere where the settings are. But click there, disable your preview pane so that you're not previewing the email before you actually open it. And that'll keep you from getting stuff just from looking at previews of it. So those are the three things. Thank you.